Hi everybody, this is Thomas from StruSoft and this is another tip of the week. This week's tip is actually very helpful but also a small one. As you can see here in a picture that I have a lot of you add and mount your windows on site, and that's a very common thing to do nowadays. However, that of course adds extra mass that is not calculated in the elements that we produce with the openings in the system. So how can we fix that? We have actually fixed that, and I'm going to show you live how we can actually do that in the software. I will take away the presentation and I will go back to the project manager. You can see here I have made an element with just a reference, a window and a door. And you can see here that the mass of the element is 5.3080 tons. That's fine, that's like a sandwich wall. That's pretty typical on normal sandwich wall. So if we go into the shop drawing, you will see here I have added the windows. So what we have done, it is very easy actually, it is only for you just so you know for next time. If you want to do it, what we have added is when you go and you, for example, first thing you have to do is create the drawing, the opening definition, for example, this one, and then when you create your definition, you need to add the mass of the window that you're using. So how much does it weigh for the door if you pre-mount it, or the window, how much, and you add it here. As you can see, it's in kilos, of course. It's not really relevant to put it in tons, but in the final calculation, it will be added in tons. So you do that, and then of course you go back to your element, of course, when you add it, or now I'm going to edit it only so I can show you the difference. I will select the opening, and then you just say, you check this box, mounted in factory, and then 95 kilos will be added into your mass. I'll say OK. I will do the same for the other one. Edit opening, select this one. I will add mounted in factory. OK. And of course, remember to do material takeoff. I'll just do a material takeoff for everything. It is just very easier for me. I do not have a lot of elements. I do not have a lot of add-ons on this element. Now it's done. And I will just continue and show you here. If I just refresh my properties, you will see that the mass of the element has changed to 5.55 tons, and that's 120 basically kilos were added to the mass. Yeah, that's basically it. It was a very quick one. Just remember, if you are mounting your openings on site, then remember to use that. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon again. Bye bye.